Hi there and welcome to Call One Tech TV. This video is going to go out to all the freelancers and the entrepreneurs out there. Even if you don't fall into one of those categories and you just want to make a little bit of extra cash, this video is still going to help you out, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to have the fancy cars, the stacks of money, the hired models. I'm not going to waste your time with all that window dressing. I'm going to go ahead and teach you the actual things that those videos leave out. And as soon as you understand how all the pieces go together, you're going to be able to make so much money on the internet. You're going to be able to have so much success, but it's not going to happen until you understand how things really work. Now, I know that some of you are going to be thinking that the title seemed a little bit like clickbait, but I promise if you stick with me through the whole video, you're going to be glad you did. I'm going to be sharing some information with you today that could get me in a lot of trouble. A lot of people are going to be unhappy that you're going to be learning this, but I feel as though if you really want to make money on the internet, this is what you're going to need to know. You're going to hear a couple of things that you might not want to hear, but it's going to be the truth. It's going to help you out, and this is what's going to make you that money. It's going to be lasting. It's not a gimmick or a get-rich-quick scheme. So let's jump right in and get this started. I want to start at the beginning. That means talking about social proof. Social proof is a psychological concept and a marketing tactic. It first became popular in 1984. Since then, it's been taught to millions of marketing students. It's been taught in online courses, and you've experienced it in your life, and I bet you probably didn't even know it was happening. Social proof is all about how the human brain is hardwired. You're not sure what the best course of action is, but you see someone that you perceive knows more about the situation than you do, so your natural instinct is to try to copy their behavior in hopes that you'll also be able to copy their success. Do you remember when I started this video when I told you this wasn't going to be about sports cars and paid models and stacks of money? Because that's a modern example of social proof in action. These people are trying to get you to trust them that they're experts. They're trying to do that by showing you all of these toys to make you feel as though they know exactly how to do this, and if you just do what they say, you can have the same thing too. The fine print that comes into play when we're talking about social proof is that you will try to replicate the success of someone else, even if they are leading you on the wrong path, because subconsciously you believe the proof that they're presenting as true, therefore their method must be proven. That's not always the case, and that's where people get into trouble. So now that we covered what social proof is and why people use it, let's connect some dots. All of these videos that talk about making easy money have the same thing in common. They all start with someone showing you a bank account, showing you sales results, they're showing you a nice car, they're showing you a really fancy house. You might be watching that video, you live in a one-bedroom apartment, you're living week to week, check to check, and it's really difficult. You're looking for a way out, you see this person looking like they can offer you this magical plan that will fix everything. Of course you're going to consider what they're saying, because if you think about it, they seem to have everything you want. You're not where you want to be right now. You're going to give it a try because you think you can replicate their success. So I've just presented you with a rudimentary psychology lesson. What does that actually mean? How does it get you any closer to $100 a day? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something you experience in your everyday life, just like social proof. So let's look at a simple scenario. Let's say that you have someone that you've met. They have all the stuff you want. They have a nice car, nice house, nice everything. You ask them and you say, hey, how did you get that done? They tell you that there was this amazing course that they took. This course changed their life. They did everything that the course said. It worked. They went from living in a one-room apartment like you live in now to living in this really nice place. What is there not to like about that story? That sounds like the exact same thing you should do. So then you ask them, you say, hey, how can I get in on this course because I want to be successful like you're successful? They tell you, okay, that's fine. I'm going to send you an email. This email is going to have all the information you need to join this course. So they go ahead, they send you the message. You look at it, the course is $99. You're like, okay, that sounds perfectly reasonable. If I can have a nice car, a nice house, and this wonderful life, and all I have to do is invest $99, I'm in. So you go for it. You do it. You spend the $99, you get the course. Now, what just happened? The person that sold you the course is actually an affiliate marketer. They got a commission. We'll say they made like $10 or so from selling you that course. Look at the course company. With that one purchase you made, they just about hit their $100 mark. When another affiliate sends them one more sale, they're well over that. They're on their way to the $200 per day mark. They're probably going to hit $1,000 per day or more because they're getting most of the money in this situation. Now let's take a look at your scorecard. You're down $100. So what does that mean to you? You don't really care that you're down $100 because now you have the tools to make thousands and thousands of dollars. You're going to get everything done. You're going to have that life. It's all going to work out. It might work out. It's entirely possible that that course could change your life. But let's be honest. If you can't figure out the fine print and the strings that are attached to that particular offer, you might get lucky, but luck doesn't usually work. Luck is great, but skill, knowledge, and understanding is always better. Let's look at the goal of $100 per day. How do we get there? Who's going to get there before you? If we look at the person that just sold you the course, that told you about this amazing deal of a lifetime, they just made $10. If they can find 9 more people today to buy that course based on their recommendation, that's their $100. They need to find 10 people per day, in this example, to buy that course, and they will have hit that $100 a day mark. So the company that created the course gets to keep the lion's share of the money, but they're still giving that small commission to the person that sent them the sale. That is the heart of affiliate marketing. So let's fast forward. Let's say you absorbed every bit of knowledge inside that course that you purchased for $99. So now you have all that information, you did your best and you applied it, but it still didn't work. So you're sitting there, you're $100 down, you don't have any results, and you feel like you got ripped off. You don't know what to do. The affiliate marketer people are still making money selling the hopes and the dreams because they can lure people in with a social proof. So let's talk about it. How are we going to hit that $100 a day mark being an affiliate marketer? That sounds like the real plan here. It's a lot of hassle to create your own product, but it's not that much work to tell people about a great product and collect a small commission for every sale. So what's it going to take to be an affiliate marketer and get paid up front and take a lot of the risk and the wondering out of the equation? Because at the core, affiliate marketing is a numbers game. I want you to do something for me. Next time you see a channel that talks about making money fast, it's selling some sort of course or something, I want you to look at how many subscribers they have. They probably have a lot. We're talking like hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands. That's a lot of potential people. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, you're going to need an audience. You're going to need traffic to a website. You're going to need eyeballs on your Instagram. You're going to need people to hear your offer, believe what you have to say, and most importantly, take out their credit cards and order a product. That doesn't sound super hard until you realize a lot of the people that you see that are doing this very effectively, those are the accounts that have the hundreds of thousands of followers. Now remember, when we looked at that past example, that person only needed to sell 10 courses to make their $100 a day. If you talk to 10 people, the odds of all of them agreeing that they want to buy this course are just astronomically slim. You're going to need more people. You're going to need like 100 people. You're going to need 1,000 people. Now, how many people do you have that follow your content? How many subscribers? How many emails do you have on your email list? If you're just starting out and you're looking to make $100 a day, past your family members, your friends, and a few other like associates that you talk to, you're going to run out of people to market this stuff to very quickly. And that is the issue. When you see someone telling you how easy it is to make $100 a day collecting emails for a company or signing people up for a totally free offer. Now, the person that told you about this has like 100,000 followers on their YouTube channel. That's why it sounds so great. That's why they can show you these amazing reports about all the money they've earned. But in practice, unless you have that audience, unless you've built that following, trying to replicate their success is going to be extremely difficult, if not impossible. And that's not me just being negative. You need to realize that they left out that minor detail that yes, you can definitely make this money, you will get paid, but there was an asterisk at the end of that statement. They very rarely talk about that. They're always going to tell you how easy it is, how much they've been paid, how these companies are legitimate. What are they doing? They're trying to get you to sign up under them. If you look, almost every time they tell you about this really nice program, it's an affiliate link. So you go and you sign up to collect these emails, or this product or this course or whatever it is. The act of trying to be a reseller is earning the person that told you about it money because they're an affiliate recruiting resellers. They make money when you try to make money. You see what's going on? We're right back where we started. But if you took away their audience and you made them start from zero, they would be pretty close to where you are right now. Sure, they know how to build an audience, so in time they would get back to where they are, but they're not going to come out and tell you that this program is going to do wonders and change your life if you have 10,000 YouTube subscribers. That's the part that they never tell you. And that's the reason why so many people fail. It's possible that you would do something that would become viral. It's possible that you could put out some content that would be so great that people would be so interested that you're going to get this following and you're going to just take off. It happens. But remember, it's like the lottery. You might win, but the odds are really against you. And that whole hope situation, that's what they prey upon, and that's what makes them so much money. Because there's always going to be someone with hope and a dream, and they're always going to want to collect that affiliate commission based on that dream. So what just happened? I went ahead and I just told you some horrible doom and gloom type stuff, right? I told you that people are going to try to scam you. Most of the things that you think are legitimate deals are not. That sounds like some really dark stuff, right? If you take the information that I've just given you and you apply that and you add it to some hard work, you're going to get there. Now, that sounds like some generalized pep talk nonsense that you don't want to hear, and I totally understand that. So here's what I'm going to say. If you track your progress, you're going to see improvements. So what do you need to do? You need to look at how social proof works. You need to understand that almost everyone that's trying to sell you something like I've just described in this video is probably making a profit off of you. Everyone's going to promise you this magic bullet solution, but it just doesn't work for most people. Every time you try to roll the dice, you make them money. That's their business. But now that you understand, you're going to look at a lot of things different. You're going to see social proof happen in your life. You're going to see affiliate links where you never saw affiliate links before. If you apply these concepts yourself, but instead of just trying to shovel things on people that will probably end in disaster, you stick with things that you actually believe in. You provide a service that people can use. You provide helpful things that people like. It's going to work because you're going to build that audience. And then once you have that audience, they're going to trust you. And then that's your job to not violate that trust. As long as you don't leave those people hanging, they're going to support you. They're going to listen to you. It's going to work out. That's the message. You can make $200 a day, $1,000 a day. You can make a ridiculous amount of money if you put the time in. If you legitimately provide value and benefit to the marketplace will reward you. That is just how it works. So I know, maybe the video should have been titled How to Save $100 instead of How to Earn $100. I think both skills are very useful. Learning how to not lose your money is probably a better skill than learning how to make money. You can always make money, but if you have a hole in your bucket and you're trying to fill it with water, no matter how hard you work, no matter how much water you put in that bucket, at the end of the day, that bucket's going to be empty. What is that doing for you? You're just working for absolutely nothing. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit clickbaity myself, I'll admit it, but I really wanted you to watch this video because it's important. Understanding the concepts like social proof, like affiliate marketing, like the fact that they always leave out these little bits and pieces about how you need this giant audience or you need some resource that you do not have access to. That's what you need to know. That's going to earn you way more than $100 a day if you choose to apply it. Again, I have this all in article form on my website, call1tech.com. I'm going to have a link in the description, so you can definitely go check that out as a reference. It's very helpful, and it includes things like how to spot affiliate links and help you better educate yourself so you don't get tricked by things like that. Go ahead, you can give that a read. You can leave a comment there. There's a little bit more to the story. I left out some stuff for time here. I didn't want to bore you with a giant 4,000 word essay in video form. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Hit the like button, share it with people because people need to know this. I was serious. A lot of affiliate marketers are going to be very angry with me because I'm telling you this. They don't want you to know this. And now that you do know this, how much money are they going to lose? No one likes losing money. I'm really interested to find out, what did you see? What did you learn? Have you seen these things applied in your life? Did this turn a light bulb on in your head? Now you realize that something you thought was totally legitimate was actually some affiliate marketing program? I'm sure there's going to be some people that had their eyes opened wide. I'm sure there's going to be some angry comments from people that make a lot of money by just kind of corralling people towards the affiliate marketing links. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'd love to see you guys back here for the next video, and I hope you found this helpful.